This is the cotton ball bunny craft. To start out, you'll take your bunny template and cut it out. You're going to use this template as the base for your bunny. Once you have that cut out, you'll trace just the ears of the template onto the colored paper. This bunny craft comes in yellow, pink, or blue. Then you'll cut out the ears. And once you have those cut out, you can glue them onto the bunny template. Then you'll put glue around the edges of the ears and attach the cotton balls. You want to do that so that the colored paper is showing. Once you have those, you'll just fill in the rest of the bunny face with cotton balls. Then you'll take your pipe cleaners and fold them in half and cut them. And then take one and fold it in half again and curve the bottoms of it and glue them onto the bunny face. Then glue the other three on as whiskers. Then take the palm ball and glue that on for the nose. Glue on your eyes. And you're all set.